Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have a very interesting question for you from the quantitative section, and the question that we'll be dealing with is pertaining to algebra, and the topic is basically of identities. Okay, so we have a very interesting question over here. So the likes of which are very frequently asked in many entrance examinations for your post-graduation or your masters. So you may see a lot of variation. So I'm using the question that we have in here in front of us. It deals with a certain identity, and similar sort of questions are quite prevalent in this examination, wherein different identity based questions are being asked on a regular basis. So we'll be trying to solve one of these. There is a question in front of us. We'll try and understand the approach involved, and also we'll try and solve the same again. Okay. So having said that, let us just take a look at the question. If x into x plus y into y plus z into z plus x equal to 0 and x plus y plus z equal to 13, then find the value of xy plus yz plus zx, where x, y, z are all natural numbers. Okay. So what we have here is x into x plus y into y plus z into z plus x equals to 0. Okay, so this we can write x square plus xy, y square plus yz plus z square plus zx equals to 0. Okay, so this we can write x square plus y square plus z square plus xy plus yz plus zx equals to 0, right? So now we know we have a certain formula. Let me just write it there. So we have a certain formula being a square plus b square plus c square can be written as a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Okay, so we'll be using this particular formula in this regards. So what we'll be doing is this x square plus y square plus z square, I can write this as x plus y plus z whole square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus xy plus yz plus zx equal to 0. Okay, now we know x plus y plus z is 13, so 13 square being 169 minus xy minus yz minus zx, or this can be written as xy plus yz plus zx equals to 169, which will be our answer. So option A is our answer. Okay, so the important formula that you should keep in mind in this particular regards is this. Okay, make sure you keep this formula in mind. It's a basic identity, basically a square plus b square plus c square formula. So if you know this, the question is basically the piece of cake. So I hope this thing is clear to you, as in how we came about with the solution of the same and everything. Okay, so hopefully this thing is clear to you as well. Now having said that, if you are looking for a detailed solution of the similar sort of questions further down the line, please feel free to connect with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards as well. Okay, so having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing having a discussion of the similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos. Until then, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.